Here, students, will be going to the another chapter, that is Earth and other heavenly bodies. You have seen many things around you, and there is a one main object in our life, that is the sun. Without sun, we can't able to imagine that is heat and light. The sun only the main part of the universe to make the everything to be alive. Here what is the discuss about, will be discussing deeply about the earth and other heavenly bodies. Okay, the Roman called the sun soul, which is in English means sun. Sun means soul, it means the sun. This is our solar system, that is the system of planet. It is called as a solar system. What is the solar system consist of? The solar system is consist of the sun and everything that travels around it. Yeah, this is the sun and everything is travels around it. Our solar system shaped an egg shape. You know what is the shape of the egg? Yes, it is a shape of egg is an oval. So it is a shape of oval. The sun is in the center of the solar system. Our solar system always in motion. So always it is the more all the planets are moving around the sun. We know that 8 known planets are there, and we have 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets will be having. Along with this, we have a moon. Along with this comet, this is an asteroids and other place object orbit of the sun. In this, the biggest object is which is means the sun. It is our solar system. Okay, the sun is the largest member of the solar system. Every member of the solar system revolves around the sun. So if you see the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, everything will be moving around. The sun, what is the sun? It is made up of. The sun it is made up of hot gases. The sun is made up of what? Hot gases. It is the only source of heat and light. It is the only source of heat and light to the entire solar system. To the entire the solar system. The average distance of the sun from the earth, it is, see here students, you have this much kilometer. How we can calculate? Unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. So it is 14 crores, 95 lakh, 97,900 kilometer from away from the earth. This much kilometers are away from the earth. The sun, the distance of this is 149,597,900, that is kilometer. 14 crores 95,097 1,900 kilometer. The sun travels around the speed of your, the sun will be traveling the speed about so much speed. You can think it about the speed. If it is a you will be observing which a car and bike, which will be going fast? Yes, bike will be going fast. It is about the 3 lakhs is the speed of the sun. It is just 3 lakhs kilometer per second. The speed is enormous. That is about the 3 lakhs kilometer per second. It takes 9 minutes for the light to reach the earth. So to reach the earth it take how many minutes? 9 minutes. It's take the light of the earth. It is how many minutes? 8 minutes. Sunlight is a source of heat and light for all the living beings to the earth. If sun is not there, it is no life possible on the earth without the sunlight. We can see the sun shining in the sky during the day. The sun will be shining. You know that the sun will be in the same position the earth is revolving. When you go to the backside, you will be having, in for example, you have in America, it will be night, and in India it will be a day. So similarly you have so much of the difference, but the sun will be a major role to the all the planets and a major part of our living life. So here the planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. How many planets are the 8? That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Once again I'll be clear. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets revolving around the sun. Yeah, in this, which is the biggest planet means Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Very smallest means Mercury. The planets move around the sun in the fixed path. They'll be having a fixed path. Previously, I showed that you will be having a fixed path. They'll be revolving around it. So, it has a fixed path called, that path name is called as an orbit. How we call it as a road? Well, to moving the vehicles, we require the road, no? Similarly, you require for this, moving around the planets required a path. That path name is called as an orbit. The planets do not have a light of their own. The planets does not have a light of their own. They move around the sun and get the light from it. So when they are moving, we'll be getting the light from it. Did you an easy way to remember the order of the planet? The first, the word stand for the first letter of the very efficient mother just showed us the Neptune, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the to remember. Better will be having Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. See us students, what we are learned now till here. We have what is the sun. Sun means a soul. Here it is called as this means our planet, that is a solar system. It has sun. Many planets will be there. In that 8 planets are they are the 8 planets we are there. In that it revolves around the sun. It does not have the sun has an heat and light, but the planets does not have a light of their own. Okay, they have, in the sun will be having their moon along with the comets, asteroids and other places where the sun is the biggest object. It revolves around the members will be revolves around the sun. It have about 3 lakhs per kilometer to travel the side per second. They require 8 minutes to from the earth to reach the earth. The sun gives us heat and light for all the living being. And 8 planets have, it has one path. That path name is orbit. And they are eight planets you have to remember: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These about your the sun and the planet. Let after we'll be studying the earth.